Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Arpen Upadhyay Ubaderu Deputy Commissioner ke District Ri Bhoi bad Ubaderu District Election Officer ke Ri Bhoi. Hak arpulai trik urempang hajar arpulai ulong mana kebenta ban pentikna ke jengit Thep Vote kinong snong ki bah ke jaka kaput ba bakan long ke bayat bet jet renti. Na keleng ki bor peniat district kila penjor ke jeng pahara ha block 2. Ha ke bah ke jaka kaput ke berang de ke jaka bay kaja put apa deng ke Assam bat ke Meghalaya. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor hak office trikam jong Arpen Upadhyay ulietho ba ka jing penjor ke jing pahara ke jaka kaput kalong hadian ke jing mi ke jing berngam na we MLA ke West Karbi Anglong ban sya ban Thep Vote gi paidbah na ke snong kaput hak ke election hak jela Meghalaya. Badehol kane bulietho ban kaliang gi board district le penjor ya ke jing pahara. Ulietho ru ban kaliang ki board district kiladap ban pha egi CRPF bat ki bor pulit baginit ban pahara man kasni hiki snong ki badon ha gajaka kaput ha ke block 2 badul ongru balale ekene kam komisi benta ban pentikena bagajeng Thep Vote ha ke arpenyo trek mentau rempang kan nong ke bayat bet bat ban pentikena ban omdon ke jeng sakta ki paidbah nong Thep Vote ha ke ne kasni ulo ongru manakliang ki board peniat ke district Ri Bhoi gladap banekran bat Deputy Commissioner ke West Karbi Anglong ban pan ke jing trailang ha ke ne ke benta. Shuru Deputy Commissioner Ujor Ri Bhoi ulong manakaliang ki board district ilabu ke jing maha me kino ki ba persang ban penmi ki khubor ki balam ler ne kino ki khubor ki balak ban kata ke singi Thep Vote ha ke jela Meghalaya. Bat ulong baladalab ikino ki batemu banwara ke jing kulmar nalani ki ba penmi kino ki jing penthot ha ke song suk song san ken sa sha pen stom kat kum ka
One report was received by the office of DEO in which one MLA from West Karbi Anglong was found to give a speech, and he was saying that voters from block 2 area will not be allowed to enter inside Meghalaya or to give the cast their votes as in the Meghalaya assembly elections. As soon as the matter came to light, the office of DEO, I discussed with the counterpart, the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, and the matter was brought to their light, and it was requested that a serious action should be taken. And immediately the matter was flagged to the office of CEO and the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya. Based on that, the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya had written officially to the Chief Secretary of Assam also, and the CEO office also got into touch with the CEO of Assam, and I also talked to the DC there. After that, serious action was taken, and it was told to me that the DC and SP of West Karbi Anglong summoned the concerned MLA, and then he was warned about the illegal statement that he has given, and that he should refrain from giving such kind of statements in public. This is against the RP Act, and also there is a Supreme Court ruling in which is regard to the polling stations which are in the border areas, and as per that ruling, a status quo has to be maintained, and that there should be no change, and no one can stop the voter if the name is there in the electoral rolls. So based on that, a series of meetings were also held earlier by the district administration from both the sides, in which all the local people, the headmen of those areas, were called and their views were taken. And time and again we keep on doing regularly meeting with them, with the headmen of the block 2 areas, the people of the block 2 areas. We keep on having their discussions with them, and every time it has come to the knowledge that people, they have given this also, that people from outside generally try to take advantage of this situation, and these kind of rumors are there, fake news are also there. So based on this, the district administration, the office of DEO and the office of SP have taken sufficient steps to ensure there is enough security provisions are there, a large number of forces, sufficient number of forces from Meghalaya Armed Police and from CAPF have been deployed in the area. They are doing regularly the foot patrolling, the area domination, and restoring confidence in the people. And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue, and there is no atmosphere of fear, fear or something like that. Everyone know, people know that the way they have voted in past, they will vote this time also. And the office of DEO or the office of CEO are committed that no voter will be left behind. And it is also my humble appeal to the people not to believe in any kind of fake news or rumors. Anyone who is by mandated by right to vote will be allowed to vote. There will be no hindrance and there will be no security concerns. We have been assured by the district administration of West Karbi Anglong district also, and by the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance. There will be completely smooth conduct of elections and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka